This is the Conservation of Momentum interactive calculator, which solves momentum problems for colliding objects. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Solve for final velocity, perfectly inelastic, solve for final velocities, elastic collision, solve for second object mass, solve for initial velocity, solve for recoil velocity, and solve for impulse and force. For this demonstration, I've selected solve for final velocity perfectly inelastic. Below that, we enter mass 1 in kilograms, initial velocity 1 in meters per second, mass 2 in kilograms, and initial velocity 2 in meters per second. For our example, I'll enter 1500 kilograms for mass 1, 25 meters per second for initial velocity 1, 1200 kilograms for mass 2, and 10 meters per second for initial velocity 2. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the combined final velocity after these two objects collide and stick together. This represents the common velocity both masses will have after a perfectly inelastic collision, where kinetic energy is lost but momentum is conserved. The result shows how the heavier, faster-moving object and the lighter, slower-moving object combine into a single system moving at an intermediate velocity. This tool eliminates manual momentum calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.